In this video, I'm going to share you how to prepare Power BI interview for experienced candidate. So if you are below 3 years of experience candidate, this video is very helpful guys to crack the Power BI interview. Even more than 4 years of experience candidate as well, this video is very helpful. What are the major concepts you have covered before attending Power BI interview questions? You will get all information in this video guys. So please watch till the end of the video, then you can understand what are the topics you may face in interview. You can understand. Without wasting our time, let's see what are the topics and what type of questions they may ask in Power BI interviews for experienced candidate. Now let us discuss one by one questions. So here are the some few frequently asked interview questions for Power BI for experienced candidate. So the first question is, explain the difference between Power BI and Tableau. So this is one of the most frequently asked interview questions who are having a below 3 years of experience candidate. Even 4 years of experience candidate, you can expect this question. Okay, so you should be able to answer this question. Okay, so Power BI uses DAX for calculating columns of a table, whereas Tableau use MDX like a multi-dimensional expression. This is a data analysis expression. So most of the time, if the company is handling a big project or large projects, then Tableau is preferable. If the company is handling a small project, then Power BI is useful. I can say one thing, guys. So if you are a beginner or below 3 years of experience candidate, then Power BI data visualization tool is best. So if you are more experienced candidate, above 4 years or 5 years of experience candidate, then Tableau is preferable. Okay, so Tableau is more challenging to use than Power BI. Okay, the next question is, this is also one of the most important questions. What are the building blocks in Power BI? That means what are the key components of Power BI? So without knowing these interview questions, better to not attending the interview, guys. This question definitely will ask an interview question. What do you know about key components of Power BI? So you should be able to answer all these parts. Okay, like visualization, data sets or reports, and dashboards, okay, and tiles. These are the main building blocks of the Power BI. So why you are using visualization? Visualization is a visual representation of data. Example for visual representation in the form of pie chart, line graph, side-by-side bar chart, tree map, etc. Then what is the meaning of data set? Data set is a collection of data that Power BI uses to create its visualizations. For example, Excel sheets, Oracle, or SQL Server data tables. Then what is the meaning of report? Report is a collection of visualizations that appear together in one or more pages. For example, sales by country or state, city report, okay, logistic performance report, profit by products report. So whatever the reports are there, it might be in the form of one or more pages. Okay, and what about dashboard? Dashboard is a single layer presentation of a multiple visualization. That means so we can incorporate one or more visualization into a one page layer. For example, the sales dashboard can have pie charts, geographical maps, and bar charts. And the final one is the main key component is tiles. So tile is a single visualization in a report or and dashboard. For example, pie chart in dashboard or report. The next question you can expect, what is Power BI desktop? Okay, you should be able to answer this question as well. Okay, next question is, what are the filters are used in Power BI reports? So there are different type filters are available in the Power BI reports, like a visual level filter, page level filter, report level filter, automatic filter, drill through filter, cross filters. Okay, there are different various kinds of filters available in Power BI reports. Next question is, what do you know about content package? What do you understand about content package in Power BI? So this question also definitely asked, guys. Okay, so content package means it's a collection of related documents and files are stored in as a set. So there are two types of content package in Power BI, like service providers like Google Analytics, Marketer, and Salesforce shared by the other users in your organization. And this is most important, guys. Without this question, there is no Power BI entry questions. What is DAX? Okay, so DAX stands for data analysis expression. It is a formula expression language. You can write the different formulas to calculate. Okay, so here are the some most common used DAX functions. You should be aware of these questions before attending the Power BI entry. Okay, these are the most commonly used DAX functions like sum, min, max, average. Okay, and if. So these are all the very important, most common used functions to calculate the data in Power BI. Okay, and the next question is, what are the different Excel BI add-in? So it's like a Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power Map. Power Query helps in finding and editing and loading the external data. Pivot is mainly used for data modeling and analysis. A view is used to design visual and interactivity reports. And a map, it helps to display insight on 3D map. Okay, so these are the Excel business intelligence add-in. The next question is, what are the types of data refresh in Power BI? So there are different data refreshes are there in Power BI, like package refresh, modular data refresh, tile refresh, visual container refresh. Okay, next question is, what are the benefits of using variables in DAX? Definitely ask question, guys. Okay, and next question is, what is a Power Pivot? Okay, and also can export these are the frequently entry questions, like guys, difference between micro business intelligence tool, Power BI desktop, and Power BI. What is the major difference? What do you know about this difference? They may definitely ask Power BI desktop and Power BI. Okay, next question you can expect, what are the connectivity modes available in Power BI? Okay, question you can expect, guys, what are the common table function for grouping the data? And next question is, what is a Power Pivot data model? Okay, and the next question is, what is a query folding in Power Query? And the next question you can expect, can SQL and Power Query editor be used together? So this is a scenario oriented question, guys. You can expect, can we SQL and Power Query editor use it together? Okay, and next question is, what are the common Power Query transforms? Okay, and what are the query parameters and Power BI templates? Okay, so these are all the main areas, main concepts you have to prepare before attending the entry questions. Okay, like Power Query, Power BI templates, and Power View, Power Pivot. Okay, and next question is, what are the different types of refreshing data for our published reports? Okay, is Power BI available on premises? And what is the data management gateway and Power BI personal gateway? Okay, and what are the many-to-many relationship and how can they be addressed in Power BI? And how can integrate Power BI with SSRS? Okay, what does, and next question is, what data sources can Power BI connect to? It's like Azure SQL database and our SQL Server analysis service. And how is the filter function used? Okay, what is the special or unique about to calculate and calculate table functions? What are the common table functions for grouping data? And how would you create trailing X-month matrices via DAX against a non-standard calendar? Okay, and what are the some differences in data modeling between Power BI desktop and Power BI pivot for Excel? And can we have more than one active relationship between two tables in data model of Power Pivot? Okay, and question is, how data security implemented in Power BI? This is also one of the most important questions for experienced guys. How data security implemented in Power BI? Okay, and the next question is, what is the Power BI publisher for Excel? Okay, and what is the difference between Power BI dataset, a report, and a dashboard? And how to create dashboard? This is also most important entry question, guys. How to create dashboard? and what are the ways to create a bar chart, okay, and what is a report in Power BI, and how do you modify colors in charts, okay, how do you integrate Excel to Power BI. This is also most one of the frequently asked question, guys. How you can integrate Excel to Power BI? Okay. Now, next question is, how do you share reports through Power BI desktop? Okay. And tell me some security level of Power BI, and explain how Power BI stores the data, and what is Power BI query, and what are the special modes in Power BI to import the data, and what are the different data sets available in Power BI, and what is a Power BI service, and tell me some data shape techniques. So these are the most frequently used entry questions for 3 years or 4 years of experience candidate, guys. Okay, these entry questions helpful from 2 to 4 years of experience candidate. So if you are above 4 years of experience candidate, then you can expect more in-depth entry questions and scenario-oriented entry questions, guys. It's like a cloud service, it's like Azure related entry questions, how you can import the data, how you can deploy in cloud-based service like Azure. Okay, some security level entry questions. Okay, you can expect some scenario oriented entry questions as well if you are more than 4 years of experience candidate. Okay. I hope these entry questions are very helpful to crack the Power BI entry questions who are having a below 3 years or below 4 years of experience candidate. So that's all, guys. These are the most frequently asked Power BI entry questions for experienced candidates. So if you really like this video, please share to your friends also. It might be helpful to crack Power BI entry questions. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.